In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off emo ads. If you're seeing ads in the emo app and want a cleaner, less distracting experience, the main way to remove them is by subscribing to IMO Premium. This is a paid option inside the app that disables ads for as long as your subscription remains active. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and what to expect during the process. Start by opening the IMO app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're signed into your account because the premium option is tied to your profile and subscription settings inside the app. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile picture. This will take you into your account area where you can access personal settings, app features, and membership options. If your app layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The profile picture is usually the quickest way to get to account-related controls. Inside that section, look for the option labeled IMO Premium and select it. This is where the app shows its ad-free membership and any extra benefits that may be included with the subscription. Take a moment to review what's being offered so you understand what is included before moving forward. Next, choose a subscription plan. Depending on your region or device, you may see different billing options, such as a monthly or longer-term plan. Pick the one that works best for you. If you want flexibility, a shorter plan may be better. If you plan to keep using the app regularly, a longer plan may be the more convenient choice. After selecting your plan, complete the payment using the payment method connected to your app store or device. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm the purchase when asked. The exact payment screen may vary depending on whether you're using Android or iPhone, but the overall process is very similar. Once the payment goes through successfully, ads will be removed while your subscription is active. That means you'll continue to enjoy the ad-free experience for the length of the plan you selected. If the ads don't disappear right away, try closing and reopening the app to refresh it. And that's it. That's how to turn off emo ads by subscribing to IMO Premium. Just open the app, go to your profile picture, select IMO Premium, choose a plan, and complete the payment.